am home from school. I am hungry, Mom.
Mom, where are my toys? I cannot find them anywhere. Dinner will be ready soon. Please clean up your things, children.
Mom, I need help with my homework after dinner tonight. This food is good, Mom. Can I have more, please? I am going to watch TV now. Thank you, Mom. Does anyone want to help me wash the dishes tonight?
Mom, can you bring us juice? We are thirsty here.
Here is your juice. Please say thank you, my children.
Mom, my glass is empty now. More juice, please. Mom, can you find my favorite teddy bear? I lost it.
Good night, Tom. Sleep well. I love you very much.
You look very tired tonight. Are you feeling okay, honey?
The children never help me. They do not notice my work.
Today, I am not doing everything. Time for a change here.
Mom, where is our breakfast? The table is empty today.
Today, you make your own breakfast. I am not cooking anymore.
But Mom, we do not know how to cook anything. This is so hard. The toast is burned black now. Why is Mom acting different today? She seems very strange. Mom? The house is still messy. Why did not you clean?
That is your mess. You clean it up by yourselves today.
This is a lot of work. My arms are tired. Mom, what are we eating for dinner tonight? We are hungry.
You can make sandwiches. The bread is there in the cabinet.
Making food is very hard work. Mom does this every day?
Mom makes better sandwiches than us.
This is not easy.
Mom does all this work every single day for us. I cannot find my pajamas anywhere in this big mess. I need to clean my bed before I can sleep. We never help Mom. We just make more work for her. I know Mom works hard, and we just make things messier.
We need to change. We must help Mom every single day.
Tomorrow, we will surprise Mom. It will be very special. Shh. Be very quiet. Mom is still sleeping upstairs. The breakfast is ready. Let us bring it to Mom. Let us knock on the door now. Are you ready? Good morning, Mom. We have a surprise for you today. Oh, my. What is this? You made breakfast for me? We are so sorry, Mom. We will help you now. From today, we will clean up and help with everything. Look, Mom. We are cleaning the whole room by ourselves. My room is getting clean. I can do this. Look at my clean room. I did it myself. We are helping make lunch. This is fun, Mom. This is wonderful. Thank you for helping me, my children. Cleaning together is fast, and it is very fun, too. Mom looks so happy now. She is not tired anymore.
Keep stirring from the bottom slowly.
Mom is teaching me how to cook. I like this. A toast to Mom. Thank you for everything you do.
Good night, my wonderful children. I love you both so much.